we're back for CAD 53, and this one is the Geneva wheel. All right, and it is inches. So go ahead and create that. Now, this one's going to work very similar to the one we just did. Okay, it's going to be a lot like CAD 52. All right, we're going to just start on the front. Now, we're going to do the big part. So, we got a couple of circles we got to draw. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and do the first circle. Now, it's not going to be the radius of 4.5. It's going to be the radius of 4 that we're going to do first. Okay. So I'm going to do a radius of 4. That's diameter. So let's go 8. Diameter of 8. All right. Now, we need to come out here a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an arc. Okay. Center point. And I'm going to come out here. All right. And you see the radius down there at the bottom? 4.5. And then I'm just going to draw a little bit of a line. Okay? And that's it. Now, that's where I'm going to put the circle that makes this cut. So let's go ahead and do that circle. Okay? And it's going to be right there. Let me zoom in. Right there. Okay? Now, we're on diameters. Okay? And it's going to be a radius of 1.5. So we're going to right click, go to radius, and then 1.5. And that's got that one. Now, we've got another one, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and get the circle for that. Now, I'm going to put this on this one right here, center line, okay? Same center. And this one's going to be a diameter of 4.5. So we go back, diameter 4.5. Now, I've got a circle here. All right, and that one's going to be a diameter of 0.75. And then I'm going to do a rectangle, okay? Because, you know, I like rectangles. Both sides of the circle. And there we go. See how it made it? I forgot to change that. So I'll just grab all of this and turn that off. Okay, so now we got that. Now I can trim out the inside of this. Okay? I'm going to take that one and make it. And it doesn't show up as dashed, but it is dashed. Extend those two down. Aha. There we go. Now we're evened up. Okay. Now I can go ahead and trim. Take that out of the center. All right, now trim this and this and this. All right, so there's our two cuts, right? Now there are 6 of these, so we will. Whoop. Let me undo that. Apparently I was still in trim. Here we go. Grab that one and that one. There we go. And we'll do another circle of pair. Remember to uncheck associative, axis, and we'll pick here. And 6 is what we want, so we'll hit OK, and there we go. All right, so there's our thing. Now, we're going to delete this. All right, and then we're going to take this out, and then we'll trim. And it's easy. And there's our circular pattern. Now, I'm going to right click and come and hit OK. Then I'm going to right click again and come in here to Sketch Doctor. All right, so we're going to diagnose our sketch. And these are the tests, okay? There's 5 of them. All right, we got open loops everywhere. So Next, open loop file in the profile, use close loop or edit. So we'll hit edit, and we'll get an edit sketch. Now, let's go look. It's a line. See? So we'll trim that line. Zoom in and get them. Looks like both sides. Then it'll yellow dot it so you can tell where you've been. So let's see. Hit OK. Let's do another sketch doctor, see if we have anything left. All tests completed successfully, no problems found, everything should be good. So we'll hit OK, cancel on that. Go ahead and do our 3D model extrude. And what's our distance? 0.5. All right, so there's that first part. Now, we're going to get on the front of it. We'll zoom in. We got to get the hub in the middle, okay? So that hub is going to be a diameter of 2.5. So we'll just do a circle right in the center, diameter 2.5, and then 3D model, extrude, and it's also a 1/2 inch. So we'll leave that set. There we go. Now we've got a fillet that goes around this, so we just say fillet, and the fillet size is 0.25. We'll hit OK. All right, so all that's left now is our keyway. And we'll just draw that circle. And it is a diameter of 1.5. And then we got our keyway on the top, like so. All right, now zoom in. Dimension. This part is supposed to be 0.36. So don't forget to center it. 0.36 divided by 2 if you don't feel like doing the math, let the computer do it for you. And then we will trim here, here, and here. And then we get this one. 0.2. And there's your keyway. Finish that and extrude it. And of course cut through all and hit OK. And there you go. All right, so we'll go ahead and save this as CAD 53. Geneva wheel and update. So we hit all the numbers and hit OK. All right. So we're done. All right. Now we can go to this layout. And we're just going to do 2 views on this one. Once again, change our sheet size to B. And do our base view. We'll move it over a little bit and we'll get our side view. And there we go. All right, now we got to get centers in all of these. So let's go to annotate and we'll do the center of this and then around. So I'm going to use this one, okay? Centered pattern. Click that. I'll pick this first. Now pick this and this. See how it does? Then I'll go back and pick the first one again and then hit create. All right, so that's got those. And you can stretch these out if you need to. Now we need to get one on that one. Let's see if it'll do it. No, okay. So what we'll do is we'll just grab this one, pull it out that way, pull it out that way. And once again, you can do that with the middle ones if you want. And then you've got everything ready to go. All right, so now it's time to dimension. So I'll just pick this one, see, and that gives me the spot. Dimension type on this one will be diameter. And that gives me the angle. But that's not the angle I want. I want this angle. It's fighting me today. Okay, let's try this again. Don't pick the dot. There we go. We got our 60 degrees. Now we gotta get our keyway. Forget to use leader text. And zoom in and get a spot. There we go. We'll come out here. Continue. 0.36 by 0.20. Keyway, once again, all caps, don't forget. All right, so we got this, we got that, we got this, we got this. Okay. Now, they're showing a diameter on the other side, so I'm thinking we'll try it. Let's see how it does. So, what I usually do is I'll just use one of these, okay? Just hit dimension and then pick. Try not to hit a dot, so you may have to zoom in. Bring it out, right click, change your dimension type to diameter. Okay, now you can put that anywhere on that circle you want to. And there you go. Okay? Now the only dimensions we need on this one is we need one here and one here. They show it bottom and top, but that's just not the way I do things. I like to keep all my stuff kind of neat and on one side when I'm doing these. All right, now the only thing we got left to do is our fillet. And there's that. And we'll put this one right about there. Okay, so that's got everything. All right, so we're going to save that. CAD 53, and that's going to put our CAD 53 down there, and then don't forget to export it, okay, as a PDF, and it'll have the same CAD 53 number. Save that off, and we're done, and we'll see you for CAD 54.